I'm gonna use the black peppercorns on this one. These are a little bit cheaper, and that's how I buy my pepper at home, because a freshly ground pepper is so much better than the store-bought ground stuff. And the store-bought ground stuff, the way they ship that from overseas, it's just in a big open container of a ship, and it builds up quite a bit of dust with the pepper, because it's in that, you know, between holding here and transferring to there and being shipped overseas. That's why the pre-ground pepper makes you sneeze to that. It's not the pepper, the dust in the pepper. So freshly ground pepper doesn't make you sneeze near as bad either, besides the flavor being way better.